guys. Well, lucky me, it's not too often I get food hidden in my fridge with the fridge being so small. I was going to make eggs for breakfast this morning, and behind the eggs, lo and behold, cinnamon buns. So I'm making cinnamon buns for breakfast. That's an awesome little find. Oh yeah. Look at those. Nice. Even Doozer's like, "What'd you make, Dad? I can smell something good." What is it? I don't think I can share this with you, buddy. I know. I'm sorry. There we go. All iced up. Nice. Time to make coffee and enjoy one of these bad boys. Or maybe even two. I gotta say, that's pretty awesome having fresh baked cinnamon rolls in the middle of the desert while boondocking. I had to run the engine because it took 20 minutes of electricity, so I didn't want to drain my lithium batteries, so I just let the engine run. My second alternator ran the thing for the whole time. So still got lots of power, and yeah, that's awesome. Nice Sunday morning breakfast, well, slash brunch. I have been up for a while and already had one coffee. Yeah. Life is good, guys. This is where Mr. Doozer sits while I'm eating. I think he thinks he's kind of hiding around the corner a little bit. But you're not, buddy. I can't share with you. Alright, so when I got here to Dome Rock, I was parked way over there past the white van, closer to the base of Dome Rock, because obviously I wanted to climb up Dome Rock. And yeah, when I was taking Dooz for a walk, a bunch of people were telling me, "Hey, are you here for the boondocking party?" I was like, "No, but sure." And they're like, "Yeah, people are going to be here from Thursday to Sunday. There's a party going on. There's going to be fire music and so on." I was like, "Cool." And every time I looked out of the van when I was way over there, I couldn't see anything, no fires, no nothing. So I didn't think anything was going on. So I hopped on my bike and rode around, and then when I saw a few areas that I thought looked hopeful. And then when I got back, I noticed that the nut on my front tire was completely gone. I walked around and found a nut. I asked a bunch of people, and they hooked me up with a nut to fix it. For now, I had to order a whole new piece. Getting a whole new skewer just because I don't know if it got bent when I was riding around or not. I'd rather be safe than sorry. I don't want the front tire to fall off. So yeah, with not having the bike kind of fully usable, I thought I'd come a little closer. And yeah, talked to a few people here, and they're like, "Yeah, the party's just over there, just past the bus that's over there." I don't know if you guys can see it or not. No, you can't see it. But anyway, they said there are going to be big lights. And the first fire pit I came to, a bunch of people were just playing drums and bongos and stuff around. It was kind of cool. They're like, "Hey, the dance party's just a little further down," so I went to that. That was fun. Check it out, you can see a little bit of it. So yeah, stayed there for a while, and met a bunch of people. You know, everybody you meet here is nice. Nobody's, yeah. Anyway, Yeah, I never have a problem with people. Everybody's super nice. They invite you in no matter what. Had a good time. I guess now it's time to go get groceries and everything else. And still don't know where I'm going to go yet. Still have to wait for my mail. In Quartzsite here, everybody sends it to a place called Quiet Times RV. Yeah, and they charge $3 a package, which is a great little business to have going on because there's always a lineup out the door of people ordering stuff off Amazon and so on, and just getting packages sent. So yeah, all the stuff should be coming this week, and I think by the end of this week, I'm gonna head down to Yuma, Arizona, which is basically right beside the Mexican border, and that opens up, or if that is open, I'm going to cross the border and get meds for Doozer down there because his meds are like way cheaper down there, and a lot of people cross just for medication and dentistry and eyeglasses. There's a place called Los Algodones right across the border that people just park on the American side and walk across to the Mexican side and get all the stuff done and make your way back. And they're huge parking lots. So everybody does it. So yeah, if I do that, I'll let you guys know, and see you soon. All right, just got back here from going to town for shower, groceries, dump, and so on. Wanted to tell you guys when I went to town for a shower at Love's Travel Stop instead of laundromat, it's $14 at Love's. But one of the good things about Love's is if you have a cassette toilet, I always take the cassette toilet in with me and dump it in the toilet in the shower room. So at the dump station, it's $5 to dump your cassette toilet. So if I had gone to the other laundromat place, it would have been $10 for the shower, but I still would have had to pay $5 to dump my cassette toilet. And yeah, you can get two done in once, so that's a good tip to know. Another cassette toilet trick, or tip, I should say, is something that I read on Facebook. And it was this use calcium nitrate. Use like I think it was a cup of water and a teaspoon of calcium nitrate, and you just mix it together and throw it in your cassette toilet. It stops your cassette toilet from smelling, especially in the warmer temperatures down here. Yeah, it can sometimes smell a little bit in a confined space, and especially if you have your vent fan on, it draws a little bit of the air into here. So yeah, I've found using this stuff, I've been using it for, I guess, 3 months now, and it really did take the smell out, and it's apparently safe for all plastics and everything else. So yeah, there's a few tips and tricks for you guys. I got my mail, and I needed some coffee filters, so I just quickly ordered some. Of course, panic buying because I need my coffee, obviously, in the morning. But yeah, I thought I ordered 100 coffee filters, but it was a 6 in a box. So now I have 600 coffee filters. So I guess I have enough coffee filters to last me, I guess, probably until I get back to Canada anyway. I don't know if I'm getting out of Quartzsite this week or not. Just contacted KS2, which is my lithium batteries and the switches up there, the battery monitor and so on. And there was a firmware update for the battery monitor again. And they said it was an easy process, and I had one of the early prototypes, so I don't know if something was wrong with it, but I did the update, and it kept saying firmware errors, so I kept trying to re-update it, and then the whole thing just shut down and turned off. So now KS2 is sending me a brand new one, so now I got to wait around Quartzsite again for that. I was hoping to get out of here by the end of the week. I don't know, depending on when they send it, I might still go to Yuma for a week or two and then come back up here. I don't know, I just need a change of pace, change of scenery, of course. And yeah, there are a lot of things in Yuma, like I have to get dog food for Doozer and stuff, and that's all in Yuma. So yeah, hopefully I'll be somewhere else by the next video, and this is where I'm going to end the video anyway. So we'll see you guys next week. Take care. Bye.